So to start with my makeup, I am applying some moisturizer. Your skin needs to be well hydrated before you apply any kind of makeup. Next I am applying primer. I am focusing mainly on the T-zone. Next I am applying orange color corrector by MAC. I am setting this corrector with some loose powder. For my foundation, I am using L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Golden Amber. I am blending the foundation with a wet beauty blender. For my concealer, I am using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I am using a cream blush by Inside Cosmetics. Again, I am setting all the makeup with some loose powder. To contour my face, I am using Swissbeauty contour palette. I am using a small brush to contour my nose. Next, I am applying some highlighter. For my eyebrows, I am using an eyebrow pencil. I got these pencils from Amazon. Next, I am using eyeshadow primer by NYX. To start with the eye makeup, I am using this dark brown shade first. With a pencil brush, I am applying the shade on the outer corner as well as inner corner. Next, I am joining them together. I am adding more eyeshadow as needed. Once I am happy with the blending, I am going in with the next shade. I am using this light shade as a transition color. Next, I am going in with this black eyeshadow. With a small brush, I am applying it on the outer corner and the inner corner. Blending the eyeshadow a little bit. Next, I am going in with this shade. With a flat brush, I am applying the shade in the middle. I am using the same shade in the inner corner as well as to highlight my brow bone. I did not want to keep my lower lash line blank, so I am using this light brown shade on my lower lash line. For eyeliner, I am using this Maybelline liquid liner. I am using another brush to apply the liner. Next, I am applying some lash glue. Next, I am filling in my lips with a lip liner by MAC. I am tightlining my upper waterline with a kohl. Next, I am applying some mascara. Next, I am applying a lipstick by MAC. And that's it, that's the final look. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.